Can you post late on BeReal? Yes, you can post a late BeReal with your friends and family easily on the platform. BeReal's developers realized that a user can miss out on notifications due to various reasons. This is why the app has inbuilt prompts to help you post late BeReals on the platform. Here's how you do it. Once logged in, tap Post a late BeReal. Now capture your BeReal using the shutter button based on your preferences. Tap the send icon once you're happy with the capture. And that's it. You will now have posted a late BeReal on the platform.